Hello students, class 5th, subject EVS first and chapter name is motion of the earth. In the last video, we see how the day and night takes place on the earth. We have already known that from that video that the earth rotates along its axis. That's why day and night takes place. Okay, now we see a year. Year means what? How the year and the days calculated. So for that purpose, we take one picture. Suppose this is your sun in the center, and the earth is revolving round this orbit, circular orbit, in such way. Suppose here is your earth. Earth is inclined with this axis. Axis rotate along this axis. That's why day night takes place. We know already. We see in last video. Okay. When earth rotates along its axis, it revolves along this orbit also. It revolves along this orbit. Suppose this earth is come after some days, axis is inclined, earth is come in this position, axis in this way, as well as earth is come here also. In that case, axis also inclined in such position, and after some day the earth is come on its original position. In this way, earth is rotate along this circular path, revolves round this sun, isn't it? So it takes complete one rotation 365 days and 6 hours. How many days? 365 days and 6 hours. Means what? म्हणजे ही जी अर्थ आहे, ही अर्थ काय करते आहे, स्वतःभोवती तर फिरतेच, परंतु स्वतःभोवती फिरत असताना ती सूर्याभोवती सुद्धा या आपल्या सर्क्युलर पाथ मध्ये रोटेट होत असते. आणि हा रोटेशन कंप्लीट वन रोटेशन होण्याकरता त्या अर्थला किती दिवस लागतात? सूर्याच्या भोवती एक प्रदक्षिणा मारायला 365 days and 6 hours. Isn't it? So now in the year we have 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Complete 1 year, there is a 365 days. And after every 4 years, we see in the year there is 366 days. From where come? From where come they? So this come from this 6 hours. After every year, suppose we see in 2017 there is 365 plus 6 hours, and 2018 there is again 365 plus 6, then again 19 365 plus 6 hours, and in 2020 there is again 366. How it come? So this 6, this 6, this 6, and in this years also 6. Complete 24 hour, and 24 hour means 1 day. That's why after every 4 years the year become of 366 days, and that year say that leap year. Which year? Leap year. In this leap year, the February month was 29 days. In this leap year, the February month is of 29 days, isn't it? And remaining year, the February month was 28 days. 28 days. In such a way, after every 4 years, the leap year is come, and in that year, the days of year were 366 days, and the February month is 29 days, isn't it? So this is all about the year. Now we know that day and night has not same length. We see sometime days has longer time than the night time. Somewhere night is longer than the daytime. How it is possible? When the earth is rotated along this circular path along with this circular path around the sun, the axis of rotation remain constant. The orientation of this axis remains same. That's why from 22 March to 23 September, 22nd March to 23rd September, in the northern region means what? Here is a equator. The half part of the equator is called as a northern region, and the half part of equator below the equator is called as a southern region. So in the northern region, 22 March to 23 September, the day is bigger. And night is small as compared to day. In that time, the heat is more in this northern region. That's why there is summer. And 23 September to 22nd March, in the northern region, the day is smaller than night. (23rd September to 22 March), the day is smaller than night. And here the sunrays are so far, that's why here is the season was winter. Here is the season is winter. In this way, we see the summer and winter. But on our India, in your India, there is a main 3 seasons. Which seasons are there? Rainy season, winter season, and summer season. Which are there? Rainy, winter, and summer season. In this way, 3 seasons we see in our India, isn't it? So again, is या रेनी विंटर आणि समर सीजनच्या व्यतिरिक्त सुद्धा again 6 seasons we calculate here. We know here that, and they are, that is Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Hemanta, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant, and Shishir. In such a way, again 6 seasons we see in our India, isn't it? So these 6 seasons is called as Ritu Chakra. These 6 seasons is called as a Ritu Chakra. So that is all about this video, that is the year. Next video we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you.